Wethanda sami usacela uxolisa la ngibuya khona ngicishe ngamithisa abonomalanga bavele bangivimba asakazi nokubheka
nasemehlweni. Love, don't keep me waiting.
Hayi bo le ntombazane le. Can you please leave me alone?
Kuraf, kota sesikhona. Iholide le rugby, kota sesikhona.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories and namhlanje sisakhuluma ngaye phela bakithi Sibongile and Dlamini njengoba ke kuyi final episode ke namhlanje ka season 1. Simbona guys ukugcina ke uzobe vele ukugcina uLayanda Zwane as uSibongile kulomdlalo. Intombazane ke bakithi izintshontshile kakhulu izinhliziyo zabantu nokuzobanzima ke babukela ukuthi ke bamamukele ke uSibongile omusha. Wo guys nathi ke message ke ayibhalile ke yokuvalelisa ke laphana ke einkundleni zokuxhumana ke uLuyanda Zwane uthe ke but ke beyibhekise kukwenzo at the first place. Uthe we laughed, we cried, fell and rose, we carried each other with grace and love. Wayesethi ke Vudo and Uzet okungukwenzo wathi thank you for seeing me, sharing your talent with me, and most importantly leading me with integrity, kindness, passion and compassion. Kwande kuwena. Wayesethi ke South Africa, thank you for receiving me. Eyami indlela iphela ke la. Well guys, yayona ke message ke kaLuyanda Zwane bayibhalile ke lena. Angazi noma ke yimina ngedwa yini ubona lento, but I feel like the writers as kaSibongile and the Dlaminis basidayisele istory singekho. Mawuqala ke lo mdlalo kwangazi ukuthi ke uyophela ngomshado kaSibongile nokwenzo, which I hope mhlambe ke kuyokwenzeka in future, but nje guys kwakuyilona thembisa sinalo njengababukeli, especially mase kuvela ke leya outfit yakhe ke efake one arm wengubo egold nokwenza efake isudu, kwakuvele caca ukuthi hayi cha izinto ke ziyobugcina ekutheni ke bashade or babe kwi relationship engenazi ingqinamba. But ke guys the story turned out differently. Ngokubona ke uNomalanga ke esekhulelwe ke ingane engekho ke esesibangela okukhulu ukushisa ke ungasadluli ngaphela indaba yesisuka uNomalanga guys ngiqala sesiqede ngicanga ukuthi useqeda 2 months wonke nalengane ekuthiwa ukhulelwe kwathini sitshela ukuthi uyabanjwa banjwe yilo akhipha isecret abanjwe yilo kube isecret. So nje it's been I don't know guys, but ke guys with all being said siyabonga bakithi kuLuyanda Zwane besimthanda siyamthanda namanje simfisela okuhle kodwa sibonge yena kwenza ngokuba naye noma ke sekunzima guys kanye ke nobaba wakhe ke hayi bakithi Nkosi yami badlale kahle ke labantu bobathathu kodwa guys makhona ongafisa ukusho kuyena ke uLuyanda Zwane just in case edlula la ebona ke ama farewell messages enu she might respond, you know. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.